Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore New York? Brace yourself for a journey through a city pulsating with life and bursting with energy. New York, a metropolis of endless exploration, stands tall as a testament to diversity and dynamism. Picture a place where a rich tapestry of culture weaves together stories from every corner of the globe, a city steeped in history yet always looking forward. That's New York for you. New York, a city where every corner tells a story, awaits your exploration. New York is a city of landmarks, each with its own tale. Imagine stepping onto Liberty Island, gazing up at the towering Statue of Liberty. She's been welcoming immigrants to America's shores since the late 19th century. This colossal copper lady, a gift from France, is a symbol of freedom and democracy that has stood firm through wars, social upheavals, and countless storms. Next, let's take you to the vibrant heart of the city, Times Square, often dubbed as the crossroads of the world. Once known as Longacre Square, it was renamed in 1904 when the New York Times moved its headquarters here. Today, its neon lights and colossal billboards tell a story of progress and commercialism, of a city that's always ahead of the curve. Now imagine a lush green oasis amid the concrete jungle, Central Park. This urban Eden, stretching over 843 acres, is a testament to the city's commitment to balance urban development with natural preservation. Here, tales of leisurely picnics, romantic carriage rides, and impromptu music performances weave a tapestry of urban life at its best. Finally, we have the Empire State Building, an Art Deco masterpiece that once held the title of the world's tallest building. Its 86 floors have seen countless stories unfold, from the workers who risked their lives during construction, to the millions of visitors who've marveled at the cityscape from its observatory. But New York's tales aren't limited to these well-known landmarks. There are stories etched into the brownstones of Brooklyn, whispered in the corners of the lesser-known museums, and reflected in the waters of the Hudson River. They're in the colorful murals of the Bronx and the quaint eateries of Queens, each a landmark in its own right. Each landmark in New York is a chapter in the city's grand narrative waiting to be read. But New York is more than its landmarks, it's a melting pot of cultures. When you step into New York, you're stepping into a tapestry woven with threads from all around the globe. Take a walk through Chinatown and you're walking through a slice of another continent, with the aroma of dim sum wafting through the air and the sound of a foreign tongue filling your ears. Then there's Little Italy, where the scent of fresh pasta and the lilt of Italian conversation transport you straight to the streets of Rome. New York isn't just a city, it's a cultural hub, a place where traditions, cuisines, languages, and lifestyles from every corner of the world intermingle. It's a city where you can experience the world without ever leaving its boroughs. It's a city that celebrates its diversity, that thrives because of it. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the world beating in time with the rhythm of the city. In New York, the world truly is at your fingertips. New York, a city for all, invites you to be a part of its story. With its bustling streets and towering skyscrapers, it's a city that embraces variety, a city that caters to every interest, every passion, every dream. It's a city where art lovers can lose themselves in the world-renowned museums, where food enthusiasts can indulge in an array of cuisines from every corner of the globe, where sports fans can cheer on some of the most iconic teams in history, and where fashionistas can witness the latest trends during the glamorous fashion weeks. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, a sports fanatic, or a fashion devotee, New York offers a myriad of experiences and opportunities. It's a city that encourages you to explore, to discover, to dream. It's a city that celebrates diversity, a city that welcomes everyone with open arms. In New York, there's something for everyone. So are you ready to embark on your New York adventure? Let's recap. From the tales etched in its iconic landmarks to the diversity that thrives in its bustling streets, New York truly is a city that never sleeps. It's a melting pot of cultures, a city for all, and an endless treasure trove for explorers. With its rich history and welcoming nature, the city invites you to dive right in. New York is waiting for you. What are you waiting for?